Welcome back to CARAHCAST, the podcast from Carasoft, the trusted government IT solutions provider. Subscribe to get the latest technology updates in the public sector. I'm Anthony Jimenez, your host from the Carasoft production team. On behalf of Broadcom, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused on how AI-driven tools help federal agencies modernize service delivery and ensure compliance. Dion James, Generative AI Specialist, Indira Donegan, Federal CTO, Jennifer Castro, Solutions Engineer, and Gaurav Paul, CEO and Founder, we'll discuss how federal agencies can accelerate software delivery, improve cross-team transparency, and fulfill their mission.
I'm GP. I'm the principal and founder of stackArmor, and I'm very excited to be on this panel with you all and talk about things like portfolio management, AI, all delivered through secure cloud services. Again, we'll be talking a lot about how different programs within the federal agencies and DoD enable the ability for agencies to do more with less, especially using commercial FedRAMP accredited cloud services. Just a little bit of background about myself. I go by GP. You're welcome to try my first name, but generally GP is just easier. I've spent the last 15 years in the cloud business, helped almost 200 plus agencies and migrations over the last 15 years get to the cloud and implement secure and compliance frameworks such as FedRAMP and DoD CCSRG. Again, had the privilege of supporting the first cloud migration way back in 2009, and since then have been privileged to receive a number of awards and peer recognitions from industry and agencies based on the work we have done around cloud modernization and delivery of secure solutions for the federal marketplace. Really quickly about stackArmor. So we are a partner of Broadcom and Carasoft. We were selected based on our experience with automation and delivering highly cost efficient and compliant cloud environments for our customers. However, today, what I really want to do is talk to you about why we are here and how we can help agencies become more efficient given the environment we are operating in. So I just wanted to share with you some interesting data that is applicable to commercial organizations the world over. And software as a service has helped over the years organizations reduce their cost by about 30% and execute projects faster. And this is, as you can imagine, today a critical need for a lot of our mission partners. How did we get here, right? So let's take a look at how the FedRAMP program is so important in helping our mission partners and agencies adopt world-class SaaS software while making sure that it meets federal and DoD requirements. So as I shared with you, I'm dating myself. I began this ATO journey almost 15 years ago. Did the first system migration in 2009, 2010, recovery.gov. That became the first government-wide ATO system on cloud, resulting in cost avoidance or savings for the agency, the Recovery Accountability and Transparency Board. Since then, there has been a steady progression of different initiatives to help agencies align with the commercial entities and drive efficiencies and cost reductions. Again, the FedRAMP program has continued to evolve. We launched the Cloud First initiative a couple of years back, and then after that, Cloud Smart. And now we have over, in 2022, the FedRAMP Authorization Act was signed with over 280 plus cloud services. Fast forward to 2025 and where we are today. Those of you in the watching the news and looking at what's going on in the federal tech space, the FedRAMP 20X program, the DoD RMF program, and a number of initiatives are all designed to make it even easier and faster to go in and consume world-class secure SaaS services. And so really what we want to do today is talk to you a little bit more on how you can continue to support your mission using secure capabilities like Rally and SaaS that my co-presenters will be talking to you about today. So again, there is a huge drive within agencies to adopt commercial best practices. Commercial organizations have had almost a decade plus of experience in driving down cost and improving efficiencies. And we think that the federal agencies have an opportunity to play catch up and use some of these services that are available to you now.